Are you seeing the Microsoft Web WebView2 WPF DLL missing from your system directory? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows Systems Specialist. I'll guide you through the technical resolution to protect your PC's internal communication. Before we begin the walkthrough for Microsoft Web WebView2 WPF, check the link below for a tool to assist with library environment checks. This is the Microsoft Web WebView2 WPF, the .NET WPF assembly for the Microsoft Edge WebView2 control. It allows developers to embed Chromium-based web content into desktop apps like Microsoft Teams. If missing, the parent app will display a blank white window or report a WebView2 runtime not found error during the initial browser handshake. Now let's get this fixed up. Our first move is installing a fresh, clean copy of the library. Because Microsoft Web WebView2 WPF DLL is a core Windows resource, we should utilize the built-in recovery tools. Run sfc/scan now from an administrator-level command prompt to scan for system-level errors and refresh your protected file library. If the redistributable repair didn't resolve the pop-up, the next logical step is to analyze the local environment for process conflicts. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Microsoft Web WebView2 WPF. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. Rebooting was just the start. Now, let's apply the core fix in this third step. Feel free to pause the video if you need a second to navigate. If the restart didn't fix the performance alerts, we need to rebuild the diagnostic counter registry. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr//r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, while these files almost never break, their registration in the performance registry Hive does. This command wipes those entries and rebuilds them. Before you proceed, let's touch on the essential safety standards for handling shared library files. Installing an unverified version of Microsoft Web WebView2 WPF DLL is one of the most common ways to accidentally bypass your system's built-in security firewall. For those looking for a professional-grade monitoring resource, I've provided a link to a diagnostic tool for you below. If you're reviewing error messages or system alerts, the diagnostic kit linked below provides general information for managing Microsoft Web WebView2 WPF. I'm Sophie Chen. We are dedicated to providing clear, safe paths to PC repair, including Microsoft Web WebView2 WPF dependencies. Subscribe to support our technical mission.